the sweet silence only birds understand, and green stretches for miles. Sea caresses the sand in a place I can hide. Run away from it all. No more crowds making noise, gladly fades to memory. Shambhala is waiting, there's a new life. Far away from this all, only sound is the voice of the mother surrounding me. Shambhala is waiting, live the life you imagine. Awaken and reawaken, heaven under your feet. Oh, imagine, just imagine, one with nature and science, observing firsthand all my wrongs reconciled through harmony with the land. In a place I can hide, run away from it all. Eden's a choice, returning with fruit from the tree. Shambhala is waiting, there's a true life. Far away from this all, and the stars in the void never cease to astound me. Shambhala is waiting, live the life you imagine. Awaken and reawaken, heaven under your feet. Oh, imagine, just imagine. I always knew I'd leave one day, and a run showed me the way. Wrote myself clues to go back to the garden in my Valhalla. There's a true life. Got to shrug and unplug from it all. Having done what I can with my heart and my hands.